Ki Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loomso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
The St. Joseph Services invites admission for MBBS in India and abroad. For more details, contact 94361
President Jong Megalia Congress uba Vincent H. Pala hakalasngi ublay jong kat santarik ubana naiwing arajar arpuway ula kentaj war yaki Khubor ki balami ha kini kitayo bala dep bau nongelam jong kaliang persya Dr. Mukul sangma unsad khatno yakajingnya day bat kaseng Congress. Hakajingnya keren bat kilat pathai Khubor uba Pala ulaong ba umyoi ya kanogono ka daw bau Dr. Mukul sangma unmino na ka party. Namar bahaga election shitang samay kabala Dep Longshen, ula tray shitam nagabenta ka Hasina Yasmin Mondol, kabalong ka kertong jong kaseng Congress na Rajabala constituency. Hagaju kapor ula kamru bakamshim ladon satya kanogono ka jingki palo jong kinongkit kam hapo ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, hanray kala bandon ka jingkela kandiat konsoy ha ki district bat ki block level house nam arajar arpuar.
For us, it's very clear that he'll remain with us. But I think the press should go and ask more than that. But for us, it's very clear that he's remain with us, and we hope that's what is very clear. And we campaign together. So in Karo Hills, we have seen how that. For us, it's very clear. See, I've just joined. Actually, there's no shake-up in the MPCC team. Definitely, I'm going to tour. Today we finalize. I'm going to Riboy on 22nd, 23rd to see what is there, and then on 22nd, 23rd of January again, I'm going from 17th onwards of January up to 23rd of January, I'm touring Karo Hills. So after I tour the entire constituency, then I'll propose for a change in the district presidents, in the block presidents, and definitely we will do some changes in the party workers at different levels.